Are raccoons turning your peaceful yard into their personal playground? Trash everywhere, mysterious noises in the attic, and that unmistakable sense you're being watched? We've all been there. These clever little bandits are relentless, but today, I'm going to show you a simple, natural way to take back control. No chemicals, no traps, and best of all, no harm to our furry invaders. Raccoons may look cute, but their presence in your yard or home can cause significant problems. These clever creatures are notorious for rummaging through trash, leaving behind a trail of mess and foul odors. In gardens, they dig up plants, eat crops, and destroy landscaping. If they find their way into your attic or walls, they can create even bigger headaches, chewing through insulation, wires, and wood, which could lead to costly repairs and even fire hazards. Raccoons also carry diseases like rabies and parasites, such as roundworms, posing health risks to your family and pets. Their nocturnal activity can disrupt your sleep with loud noises as they scurry around, making them an unwelcome nuisance in any home. I'm going to show you a solution that you've never seen before. We're making what I like to call garden barrier tea, a powerful natural deterrent that raccoons can't stand but is safe for your yard, your pets, and the environment. Here's how it works. Start with a few hot peppers. Raccoons hate the heat, just like us after a spicy meal gone wrong. Add a few cloves of garlic and a whole onion for their strong, pungent smell. Finally, toss in some mint leaves. Raccoons might be cute, but their noses are extra sensitive, and the sharp scent of mint is like a big flashing "keep out" sign. Boil everything in water for about 20 minutes. Let it cool and strain it into a spray bottle. Don't forget a little biodegradable dish soap to help it stick to surfaces. This is the key to making it last longer outdoors. Now, spray this tea liberally around your yard, especially near any spots where raccoons like to sneak in. Take a few small rags, soak them in the tea, and place them near entry points or areas with heavy activity. The smell will make them think twice about sticking around. See that? They can't handle it. And if you want to take it a step further, try combining this with a few additional deterrents, like predator scents or motion-activated lights. The idea is to make your yard feel unpredictable and uncomfortable, everything raccoons hate. So there you have it, a natural, eco-friendly way to say goodbye to raccoons for good. It's simple, effective, and best of all, humane. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's battling raccoon troubles. Together, we can outsmart these clever critters. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 7 natural raccoon deterrents to send raccoons packing.